Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Today we'll be making some interesting hairstyles. For that you have to tie the hairs on both the sides, fix them and tie a knot at the top. Now tie the hairs and fix it and it's ready. Next take the hairs from the sides, tie it and then rotate it. After that divide the hairs, fix it on the alternative sides. Now make the plaits on the right side like this. After that fold it and fix it and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs, take the hairs from the sides and rotate it. Now divide the hairs, fold them and fix them on the alternative sides. Now fix them and tie them together. Make the plaits and then fold it upward to make a bun. Fix it using the hairpin and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, tie the hairs from the sides, tie it and then rotate it. Now again take small section of the hairs from the sides and fold them on the top and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs and then pull it down. Now fix the hairs and tie the rubber band over it to make a bun and it's done. Next, we will tie the ponytail. Fix this bun stick. Now roll the hairs around it. After that, we will fold the hairs and then make a bun out of it and it's ready. Next, take the hairs from the sides, tie it and then rotate it. Divide the hairs, roll them together and fold it on the top, fix it and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, tie the hairs from the sides, tie it and then rotate it. Make the plaits by dividing the hairs. Pull out the hairs from the sides, fix it by rolling it upward. Fix it on the alternative sides if you want and fold it. And your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, tie the hairs. Now rotate it. After rotating the hairs, fold it and fix it using the bun pin and it's ready. Next, take the hairs and then rotate it. Divide the hairs. Now fold the hairs like this. After that, fix it on the top. Tie the plaits on the hairs. Fix it properly and it's ready. Next, tie the ponytail. Make the plaits by rolling it down like this. Pull out the hairs from the sides. Tie it from the bottom and your hairstyle is ready. Next, take the hairs and then keep it aside. Now tie all the hairs on the back and make the plaits. Fold it upward and fix it. Now take the hairs from the sides, fix it using the bun pin and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs and then rotate it. After that, take the hairs from the sides, tie it and then again rotate it. Now keep following this step for a few more times. Tie the hairs, fix it by making the plaits, fold it upward and your hairstyle is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, tie the hairs, divide it from the between and then roll it upward and fix it and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs from the sides, tie it and then rotate it. Tie all the hairs, now divide it from the between, fold it upward and fix it. Now take the hairs from the sides, make the plaits and fold it and it's ready. Next, take the hairs from the sides, tie it and divide it from the between and then rotate it. Fold it upward, now tie all the hairs, divide it and then rotate it upward, fix it over the bun and it's ready. Next, tie half of the hairs, pull out the hairs on the top like this. Now take the hairs from the sides, tie it and then rotate it. Now fix the hairs by making the plaits all together. Fold it upward and fix it to make a bun and it's ready. Next, tie the ponytail. Now using this bun making tool, roll the hairs upward and fold it and your bun is ready. Thanks for watching our video.